Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on developer options on your XIAOMI 15T. Developer options is a hidden menu on your XIAOMI phone that gives you access to advanced system settings for testing and customization. Okay, so now let's open settings, and you want to go to About Phone section at the top of the settings. Now let's scroll to Detailed Info and Specs, and now find section that is labeled OS version, and you want to tap on it repeatedly as fast as you can until you see your request of your pattern. And now we can see this message: you are now a developer. So now let's go to some developer options menu. You want to go back to main settings page, and you want to scroll down to additional settings, and now from this list find developer options. And here, if you scroll to the bottom, you will see a list of developer options that are available. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.